Ain't nobody but
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jenny Fine. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing my second Halloween look to the second half of my face. Yeah, you get that. So first of all, I'm gonna be outlining the areas I'm gonna be painting in black, which is like my eye areas. Yep, and then it'll be some part of my probably, I don't know, face. So the first of all, just to align the like high, so I don't need to paint over it. So next I'm going with an orangey face paint. This is the first step because obviously it's not really pigmented as I want it to be. So I'm just gonna go ahead to make sure I I spread out this face paint accordingly to this side of my face, and I keep adding more face paint in orange so that that color that I'm looking for can come out through. And also went ahead with brushes in between the lines because I don't want it to like go towards the eyes area or go towards the other side that I apply my makeup. So you want to make sure every areas of your face is covered, and again apply more layers of face paint. So at this point I was like, you know what, this is not giving me the orange I want because I'm going for a pumpkin look. So I decided to use orange corrector as my face paint. So I applied some orange corrector on my face. I went ahead to blend them out, make sure it's even spread across my face. I did this step about 3 times because the orange was not coming out the way I wanted to be. I was just like, oh god, let me give up, let me just delete this. I don't know what I was thinking, but as you can see, I'm adding more face paint, and at the same time I decided to, you know what, this is enough orange I want, so let me use some shading eyeshadow, orange eyeshadow, red eyeshadow, to cover the areas that are patchy, that are not covered with face paint, which is what I was using this brush for. So next I'm gonna be giving a line to my face, the line I drew at the beginning that divides my makeup normal face to this side of a pumpkin revealing face. So I use a black liner from Inglot just to like line up the divided part of my face I'm trying to go for. I started with a heavy hand, and that's why you can see the lines were thick. So it was like a headache for me to go back and reduce the line, but I just walk with it. So the areas on my eye areas that I left like open, or I left like clear, is where we're gonna fill my black liner or black paint. So I just went over the lines to cover this white chalk and start filling in my eyes. So next, before I just to complete my eyes, I decided to just line up the face because I'm going for that pumpkin look. Pumpkin do have lines on the skin, the body, but you know what? That's like, yeah, probably I should have a line on my face too. So I went ahead with the eyeshadow, like a brownish black eyeshadow over my yellow face paint face. It was looking so nice, but I tell myself, it's not really like precise line I want to be. Maybe it's too big. So I went ahead with the excess residue on my liner brush just to give a bit of black line, which is what you are seeing right now, like line in between those shaded lines on my face. So next I decided to like blend it out to make sure the line is not too visible, and make sure the everything blends in like normal, like good. But obviously the more I blend it, the more widen the lines are becoming. I was like, oh my god, this is not what I'm wanting, because I want to blend it out, but it's not coming out the way I want it to be. I just let it for now, for that time being. And next, fill up my eyes, my brow area, my as well you can see with a black liner. I could not like cover my eyebrows because the glue I was using was not working properly, so I just kept out of the way. So next I'm applying my lipstick because I forgot to apply my lipstick to the other side of my face, so which I am doing right now. And I went ahead to finish my eyes because there's still some areas that were not covered in black patches. The same issue I had with my face paint. So I just know what, this is not the black I want, so I went ahead with a black eyeshadow to make sure I cover those patches, those areas that were not really covered in black, which later turns out to be really, really good, like really, really black at once. So I don't know, I was wasting my time painting instead of wasting my time covering it with shadow. So next I'm just filling in my lips. I was just doing side wide lips, those kind of lips you carve on a pumpkin. Unfortunately, the beginning of this lip clip I didn't record it. It was the ending because I was frustrated with my look. So the little clip you got, that is what I was doing, just filling those gaps areas in, make sure the marks or the line in between the lips are more pronounced, and instead of being covered in all black or being like lost in. So I went ahead with the black shadow to cover it up to make sure the black is really pigmented as I wanted it to be. So next I'm just trying to do a bit of veins, a really brownish thin veins on my face. Yeah, with a brown eyeshadow. I just created some veins on my lips area. I think the veins really came out really nice, or you can call it electric, or you can call it like thunder line or whatever. But I was just trying to like finish up the look to make no look to make my line not too like pop in, what I'm trying to say. Then I finish up with saying spray. Oh yes, we're saying spray. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave your comment below, subscribe to this channel, click on that notification bell icon, and come back for more. And don't forget to watch my previous video. Until then, guys, I'm gonna be seeing you on my next video. So peace.